Hello children, welcome back to Kumar's Math Lab, where every problem has a solution. This is chapter 14, part 1 of class 1. In this chapter, we'll learn addition up to 20 using number bonds. Okay? So, let's get started. Ginny and Johnny are playing with counters. Ginny has 3 red counters and 1 blue counter. Select the addition that shows the total number of counters Ginny has. Okay, Ginny has these 3 red counters and this 1 blue counter. Okay, and the total counters are shown here. Okay, so what is the total number of counters Ginny has? Okay, 1, 2 and 3 red counters and 1 blue counter. So, Ginny has 3 red counters plus 1 blue counters. Okay, so the addition that shows the total number of counters Ginny has is this 4 plus 1? No. Is this 3 plus 1? Yes, because Ginny has 3 red counters and 1 blue counter. 3 plus 1. Understood? Okay, let's move further. Now see, Johnny has 2 red counters and 2 blue counters. Can you see these counters here? 2 red counters and he has 2 blue counters. Okay, select the addition that shows the total number of counters Johnny has. Again, we can do this. 2 red counters plus 2 blue counters. Understood? Understanding? Right? Okay. So, help me selecting the correct answer. Is the correct answer is 3 plus 2? No, it is not the correct answer. 2 plus 2? Yes, this is absolutely correct answer. Why? Because we had 2 red counters and 2 blue counters. Okay, very good. Now, see, in question number 3, look at the total number of counters Ginny and Johnny have. This is Ginny's counters, okay? And this is Johnny's counters, okay? Are 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 2 equal? See, Ginny had 3 red counters and 1 blue counter. Okay, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Right. And Johnny has 2 red counters and 2 blue counters. 2 plus 2 is equal to again 4. Right? Understanding, my kids? Okay, you all are so smart. You are getting my point, right? So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Are 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 2 equal? Now tell me. Yes, they are equal because 3 plus 1 is also 4 and 2 plus 2 is also 4. Correct? Now let's move to the next question. 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 2 are equal. Okay. Which number are 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 2 equal to? See here, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 2 plus 2 is also equal to 4. So the correct answer is 4. Right, very good. So, Ginny and Johnny have 4 counters each. These are Ginny's counters and these are Johnny's counters. Okay, both has both have 4 counters, right? But Jenny has only 4 red counters. She does not have any blue counter. See, this is Jenny's counters now. Okay. Jenny has only 1, 2, 3 and 4 red counters. There is no blue counter here. Okay. Do you remember? If we do not have any object, we say we have 0 objects. Okay. So Ginny has 0 blue counters. Right? See, if you all have any doubt, you can write in comment section. I'll answer it. Okay. So, when we add 0 to a number, the number remains same. Okay. What do you get when you add 0 to 4? Tell me. Come on, add with me. 4 plus 0 is equal to? Will it change or will it not be changed? Will it change or will it not? No, the answer will be 4 only, because when we add 0 to any number, it will make no difference. If you have 4 chocolates and you are adding 0 chocolates to it, your chocolate will remain same. It will remain 4 only. It will not add, right? So 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is 4. Understood? You all are very smart. You all understood. I know. Ginny, Johnny and Jenny have 4 counters each. The number that adds up to 4 form the number bond of 4. Okay. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Complete the number bond of 4. Now let us complete these number bonds. Can you see these number bonds here? These are called number bonds. The numbers which will add here and here to make this number, this is called number bond. So, how we can complete this number bond? Tell me. Here we need to write the number which will add with this 4 will make this 4. Okay. So, when we are adding anything to 4, it should remain 4 only. So, what we need to write here? See, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. That's why we'll write 0 here. 4 plus 0 will give us 4. Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now, come to this number bond. Okay, what we should fill here to make this plus this is equal to 4. Okay, so here we can see it is 3. Now we saw here 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This we should write here. Let's check the answer. Yes, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, now come to this last number bond. What will fill here to get it? 2 plus 2 is what will fill here to get 2 plus this number is equal to 4. Here see 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we'll write 2 here to get it equal to 4. Let's check the correct answer. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is the correct answer. Complete the number bond of 5 here now. Okay. See, we have few counters here and we have number bond here. On the basis of these counters, we need to complete this number bond. Okay. So, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 red counters only. There is no blue counters. Okay. So, 5 plus 0 should be equal to 5. Okay. Let's check the answer. Correct. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Now come to this question. Here we have 4 red counters and 1 blue counter. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 is the correct answer. Let's check it. See, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Come on, come to this question now. Okay, here we have 1, 2 and 3 red counters and here we have 2 blue counters. Now, come on, write quickly what we need to write here to complete this 3 plus this number is equal to 5. Write in the comment section quickly and tell me 3 plus, yes, come on, tell me. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Correct. Very good. Now you are understanding my point. Let's check the answer. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Very good. Now, place the correct addition sentence to form number bonds of 5. Okay. Now we need to place the correct addition sentence on the basis of these number bonds. Okay. So, let's come to the first number bond. Here we have 5. Okay. We need to do 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. So, the correct addition sentence is 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. Here we have in this number bond 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Yes, that should be the correct addition sentence. Let's check it. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Now in this last number bond, we have 3 plus 2 is equal to, yes, 5. Let's check the correct answer. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 is the correct addition sentence. Okay. Come on, let's move further. Here we have 6 footballs and they are grouped in different ways below. Complete the additions. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 footballs. Okay. But they are grouped in 5 plus 1. Okay. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Yes. So, the correct addition is, tell me, 5 plus, yes, 5 plus 1. Very good. And in the second addition, here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 footballs are grouped together and 1 and 2. 2 footballs are grouped together. So, 4 plus, tell me quickly. Yes, 4 plus 2 and it will be equal to 6. Okay. Now, here in third one we have 1, 2, 3. 3 footballs are grouped together and again 1, 2 and 3. 3 footballs are grouped together. So, 3 plus, answer quickly, 3, right. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Very good. So we have 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Very good. Let's move further. Select all that are equal to 6. Okay. Is 5 plus 2 is equal to 6? No. It is equal to 7. 6 plus 1? No. Wrong. 4 plus 2? Yes. It is equal to 6. 6 plus 0? Yes. It is also equal to 6. 3 plus 3? Yes. We grouped it together. It is also equal to 6. 5 plus 1? Of course, it is equal to 6. So, we have 4 answers with us. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 1. These all are equal to 6. Okay? Very nice. Look at the combination of fruits. Okay, so we have few apples and few oranges. Okay, so select the missing number. 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus what? Okay, here in this first group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. So here we have 4 and 1, 2 and 3 oranges. So here we have 3. 4 apples plus 3 oranges. Now in this next group we have how many apples? 1, 2 and 3 apples. So here it is written 3 apples. 1, 2, 3 and 4 oranges. So what we need to write here? 3 plus 4. Correct. And they both are equal. The sum of these apples and oranges will be equal to the sum of these apples and oranges. Okay. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4. Very good. These both are equal. 4 plus 3 is equal to, come on, tell me quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Very good. So these two are equal. Now, place the missing numbers to complete the addition sentences. Okay. 2 plus 1 is equal to what plus 2? Simple. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 2 plus 1 is equal to, tell me quickly. 1 plus 2. Similarly, 5 plus 2 is equal to, quickly, I need the answer. 2 plus 5. Very good. Now, 1 plus 6 is equal to, what plus 1? Come on. Yes, 6 plus 1. Very good. Now you all understood what is number bond, right? And how we use them to add. Okay? Hope you enjoyed learning. In next class, we'll see some more questions of addition up to 20 using number bonds. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.